Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Friday, yes, Friday, June the 4th, 2021, we have here two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy, and it's the first week of the month, so we have a speed test, yes, a speed test. By the way, in this newspaper, daily newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve these two babies. And the first one, the Sudoku Light, will be number 2893. Yes. And as you can see, each big square has 4 printed digits. So we have 9 big squares, so 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. Yes, today speed test. So let's get started. Let me see, 5. So here must be the 5. Then 5, in the second column, the 5 in here, 5 there. Here we have a 5 here, 5 there. Last row, yes. This should be a 5. Here should be the 5. Then let me see, the 6, how about the 6, yeah, the 6 here, 6, 9, yeah, we have a 4, here, 6 and the 2, yes, we have a 2 there, 6 here, 6. Do we have all the 6? Yes. 2. I need a 2 here. 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 7. 7. Come on. 7 and 8 are missing. Yes, 8. 7 and no. 3 and 1. 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should this need no? The 7 is missing here. 7 here also. A 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Cannot be 8 and a 9. Yes, 8, 9, 8, 9. Here should be the 3, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 there, 8, 9. One box should be the 4. Yeah, 4. 9 and a 3, 9 and a 3. Finish in 4 minutes. Wow. Quick Sudoku Light. Yes, it's a speed test. So you need to train your brain. Think faster. And every time you do this, you will be much more faster and think clearly. So once at a time, in a time you need to do this. So I do this every first week of Friday of the new month. Yes. Alright. Thank you for watching. And I will see you later with the second Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku Heavy. So This one I won't do it with the speed test, so only the light ones I will do. Alright, see you later. Bye bye for now.